Hello, we're back again now for lesson number 3. In lesson number 3 we'll be doing the fate line, the sun line and the health line. These 3 lines will be added now towards the lifeline, the headline and the heart line. The fate line will come towards the second finger. It runs from the wrist towards the second finger. That's the normal run of the mill. It will then, that will be a straight fate line that's concerning work. When we change work, there will be a change in the line. The line will make a break or it will change in direction. Sometimes the line is just short and starts off late, and sometimes very short, just a small line in the center. It will often come towards the first finger. That shows a change in the work pattern or in ambition. By going to the first finger, that's leading to a change in work which will become more ambition. It could take them into a career or more independence within their work. So the fate line does have a straight direction, but when the line starts from the side of the hand and comes across and joins another line, you're looking towards someone who's going to meet and become involved with someone else from outside the country. If the fate line starts within the lifeline and comes out, that's very often someone who starts their career off within a family business or within a family career. If the line comes straight down and then changes in direction, makes a big change, that could lead to someone that's moving more into a career of their choosing. When it comes between the 2 fingers, that's people that have changed into a career that it's been more of a balance. They're more happy within their career. So the fate line is more connected with the career. Then we have the sun line. The sun line is usually very short. It can be longer, but it's usually very short within the hand, and the sun line represents more of someone who's bright, someone who seems to have a smile on their face all the time. It often takes them within a career which would be more or less a comedian. So the sun line is very good in the hand. Very often there is no line in the hand, but as long as there's small lines in here, that does represent the same thing, the sunlight. Then we have the health line. The health line comes towards the small finger. it comes straight down the hand. Very often it's not in the hand. Usually when there is no health line in the hand, it does represent that someone who does not take too much of an interest in being sick. They're not interested in sickness or illness. And very often it can take them into a career within the medical profession. But if the line is broken up, that's an indication to someone who does think about their health, and is often, when there's a break, that is an indication towards sicknesses coming along. So the line can come from across the hand, or it can come from straight or from the side of the hand. It can be just one line, or it can be several lines. But that is the health line. So we have the health line, fate line, which is an indication towards a career. Then we have the sun line, and that puts the brightness in one's life. And the health line, when we do consider our health. And any breaks, sometimes it will just come towards the heart line. And that is an indication to the health line, the health and the heart. But the health line comes normally straight down. We have the heart line, the head line. So the heart line and the lifeline. When there is a break in the lifeline and a break within the fate line, that will always indicate towards a change in career. A slowdown could be a long break within a career. Then we have next week so we have the health line, the sun line and the lifeline. So next week, the next lesson will be joining the three lines, the heart line, the head line and the sun line. We'll join them together with the fate line, the health line and the sun line, and we'll try to look towards predicting a future or looking towards the past within someone's hand. Thank you. See you next time.